well, it's a Navy helicopter, anti-submarine role, and this is the SH-60B. We've had some kinetic come through, and this is the SH-60B. So this is, it's a Navy helicopter, anti-submarine role, and I'll quickly have a quick look through the box. As you can see here, you've got 6 schemes. I think there's US Coast Guard in there as well. Oh no, all Navy. There's also Spanish Navy. Seahawks. Lots of different iterations of that one. So we'll have a really quick look in the box for this one. Oh, go overhead. Alrighty, so we've got photo etch here with seatbelts. Lots of different upgrades there as well. We've got the instruction manual here with some color diagrams for the helicopters. Decal sheets, which we'll have a quick look at in a second. Zoom out a little bit. So this is quite a complex kit. So if you're looking for really something that you can invest a month or so on, this will be the kit for you. Building the engines up here. Some more schemes over here. Look at these schemes at the back. Hello.
What's that?
Oh, this is a Seahawk.
Okay, let's get rid of that.
No.
Oh.
No,
don't care.
All right.
No, what do you got? What do you got?
No, this is just a
Show
Seahawk.
us.
I was just filling time. I knew you were going to come in and bomb.
What's this?
This
This got little eyes on it.
It does. It's a tiger.
Grrr.
Eye of the tiger. And there's also a Japanese one here as well with the
It's
rising
got dinosaurs on it.
Yep. It's close enough.
Cool.
I'll put the box back on.
Are you getting this?
No, I think Jack Hay will get one eventually.
My man.
He was just in.
He was.